We're looking at the Defender 110 project and where it's at, and I'll go over the various details of the rolling chassis, which is what we're looking at now. We've redone the wheels. There's new XZL tires. Wheels are stripped and powder coated. The suspension's all redone. We've got new towers, springs, shocks. You can see the brake pipes have all been done. Those were all dangerously rotted. Inside the axles, we've done the wheel bearings and such. The frame has all been cleaned, scaled, and it's been treated with Por 15 rust bonding paint to slow the progression of rust, which was significant. If we move back along the frame, we took the rear body off because the rear body was perforated with rust as we cleaned it. We had to take it off for repair. And that revealed some significant pitting of the frame members and back, but they were not, they weren't perforated by rust. So it was actually good that we took the body off, because we could not have painted and treated these top surfaces of the frame with the body in place. In the back, you can see we've got new springs, new shocks, tires and wheels are done, axles done. All the way back here, we knew that the rear part of the frame was rotted out, and this is a new rear cross member and a new about 15 inches of frame. This is the joint where it's welded. So that is all set. Looking forward, the bulkhead is rebuilt, and the bulkhead is basically assembled in the vehicle. The dash is in, steering column, pedals. That is quite a substantial amount of work. On the other side of the bulkhead, it's also assembled. We decided, for the sake of budget, to leave things like the heater box and so forth, to not take these apart and refinish them. They seem to be working, and we've left them alone. The engine has been serviced. It hasn't been overhauled, but it is serviced, and that should be in good shape. Brake cylinders have been serviced. The brake and clutch pedal assemblies have been rebuilt, and they're all put back together. And again, you can see all new piping for that. So the body is just about ready to go back on. The fenders and the doors and sides and such are all done. As soon as the rear body is finished, the body can go back onto the chassis, and then we're into the final assembly of the truck. So that's where this is at right now.